Hello everybody, ASAP Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix Play Store waiting for Wi-Fi problem. So first of all, just open your Play Store and then click to the profile and then click to the settings options. After that, just click to the general options and then click to the um, network preferences options and then click to the app download preferences and then make sure you turn on these over any network. So click to the over any network and then click to the done options. After that, your apps will be downloading over any network. So if this helps you, if didn't work, so just open your settings and then click to the apps options and then click to the see all apps. After that, scroll down and find Google Play Store. After find the Google Play Store, just open and then just force stop this and click to the storage and cache and just clear storage and clear cache. After that, your Play Store will be working smoothly. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.